तो डियर नीट यूजी एस्पिरेंट्स, अब भी जाके अपने मम्मी पापा को बोलना कि मुझे डॉक्टर नहीं बनना है। और अगर वो पूछे क्यों, तो न्यूज़ चैनल मत उठाना, न्यूज़पेपर मत उठाना, क्योंकि भाई मीडिया डजंट केयर अबाउट डॉक्टर्स। भाई मीडिया डजंट केयर अबाउट डॉक्टर्स। गूगल करके दिखाना उनको हेडलाइंस, जो कि आज के टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया पे नंबर 1 हेडलाइंस होनी चाहिए थी, वो उनको दिखाना। 7 बार चाकू से वार किया गया है एक डॉक्टर पे जो क्रिटिकल कंडीशन में आईसीयू में। क्या हो रहा है भाई, ये क्या हो रहा है? जस्टिस फॉर अभया चांस लेके हम लोग गए थे सुप्रीम कोर्ट के लिए। सुओ मोटो कॉग्निजेंस ले रही थी हमारी डियर सुप्रीम कोर्ट। हमें लगा कि केस थोड़ा सा फास्ट हो जाएगा, जस्टिस मिलेगा, एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट बोल देगा गवर्नमेंट को कि सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट फॉर डॉक्टर्स उनको चालू करो, उनको एनफोर्स करो ठीक से, और समथिंग कुछ तो मिलेगा। वी हैड अ होप, राइट? वी ऑल हैड अ होप। क्या मिला भाई? मतलब हाउ कैन आई एंकरेज a school student, a 11-12 standard student who comes to me and says कि उसका डॉक्टर बनने का सपना है भाई। He wants to serve the society, he wants to cater to the society, he wants to be part of this elite scientific community। क्या बोलूँ मैं उसको? अगर कुछ बोलता, कुछ बोलने की मैं प्रयास करता भी, वो आके मुझे मेरे सामने दिखाएगा ये हेडलाइन। क्या जवाब दूँ मैं? कुछ महीने पहले इन सम मेडिकल कॉलेज एक गायनेकोलॉजिस्ट रेसिडेंट हु वाज प्रेग्नेंट, सुसाइड हो गई उसकी। क्या बोलूं मैं? व्हाट कैन आई से भाई? यहां पे हमारी प्रोफेशन की खून हो रही है जिंदा, और हम सब लोग काउंसलिंग के लिए बैठ रहे हैं, नीट पीजी काउंसलिंग के लिए। मैं भी बैठ रहा हूं knowing that this is the reality। अगर तुम एक सिंपल गूगल सर्च करो, ठीक है, लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ डॉक्टर इन इंडिया 10 से लेके 15 साल तक कम है एवरेज लाइफ स्पैन ऑफ अ डॉक्टर इन इंडिया। मतलब कि जो सोसाइटी है ना, उससे 10 या 15 साल पहले ही हम लोग गुजर जाएंगे। और इफ यू डोंट डाई बाय दैट टाइम, कोई तो खून कर देगा हमारे, ठीक है, वो तो गारंटी है ना। अभी पहले इतने अच्छे हेडलाइन आते थे, like this drug is going to cure cancer, this drug has shown efficacy against this leukemia, okay, this vaccine is going to prevent this deadly disease। भाई अब ऐसे हेडलाइंस नहीं आ रहे हैं भाई। अब न्यूज़पेपर खोलो तो खून ही खून है, खून ही खून है। ये लैब कोट नहीं भाई, ये लाल कोट होना चाहिए, रेड कोट। फिर भी आफ्टर दैट ऑल्सो doctors are the enemy of doctors। They are, this is a trend that I notice अपने older generation doctors के, जो consultants है बड़े बड़े hospitals में, there are some brilliant people out there, okay, gems, खजाने हैं हमारे doctor community में, but there are some people, especially government colleges में, जो बोलते हैं कि भाई तुम लोगों पे वायलेंस इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि यू डोंट हैव गुड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल, यू डोंट टॉक टू पेशेंट्स प्रॉपर्ली, यू डोंट मेक द पेशेंट्स फील इंक्लूडेड, यू डोंट एक्सप्लेन द ट्रीटमेंट प्रॉपर्ली टू देम। भाई होता होगा, आई डोंट नो, होता होगा, बट खून, वायलेंस, इज दिस हाउ अ सेन सोसाइटी ऑपरेट्स? भाई क्या जस्टिफाई कर रहे हो भाई तुम? मर्डर? और क्या फालतू एक्सक्यूजेस देख के। एंड फिर आ जाएगी हमारी पब्लिक, कमेंट सेक्शन में बोलेंगे ओ भाई पर हमारे जवान जो बॉर्डर पे है ना, इंडिया पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर पे सियाचिन में जो हमारे आर्मी मैन हैं, वो भी जान देते हैं। दे आर आल्सो सर्विंग द सोसाइटी, कीपिंग अस सेम, सो व्हाई नॉट यू? पता ना, ऐसे आर्ग्यूमेंट्स के लिए कोई लॉजिकल आंसर यू कांट गिव, बट आई विल ट्राई। जो आर्मी मैन है ना और आर्मी वुमेन, वो जाते हैं विद द माइंडसेट कि हमें बलिदान देना पड़ेगा फॉर द सेफ्टी ऑफ आवर कंट्रीमैन। वी आर वायर्ड, वी आर ट्रेन्ड टू फाइट द एनिमी and then get martyred Martyred is the keyword. Not get killed, not get murdered, not get raped, not by facing violence is called martyrdom. Where the society respects you, where you get a Paramveer Chakra. People will value your sacrifice. Your family को compensation मिलती है, they'll be taken care of. भाई डॉक्टर को क्या मिल रही है भाई? कौन सी compensation मिल रही है, कौन सी respect मिल रही है, कौन सी चक्र वक्र मिल रही है भाई? And the doctor who has been horribly been stabbed, he's a senior consultant doctor in Apollo, the industry leader of hospitals in India. So what is the excuse now? Is it experience? Is it the way of talking to patients? Is it the fact that, oh, you should have known that this patient is going to be violent? अरे यार क्या excuses है भाई ये? जब 4 लोगों की मॉब आ रही होती है ना, तो भाई all these things don't matter. Now they're coming to the ward to beat up a doctor. Tomorrow they may come to your cabin in the department to beat you up. भाई इस देश में कितने सारे स्कैम्स होते हैं, कितने सारे फ्रॉड होते हैं पैसों के लिए. नॉट जस्ट लाइक 1-2 करोड़ भाई, 1000 लाखों करोड़ों का स्कैम चल रहा है इस देश में. राइट फ्रॉम कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स टू PSUs तो न जाने कितने कितने बिजनेसमैन एंड बिजनेस वुमेन. भाई कभी तो सुना है कि कोई IAS ऑफिसर या पॉलिटिशियन या बिजनेसमैन का खून हो गया भाई, कि पब्लिक में जाके इतनी उनमें दैट सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट है कि उन्होंने जाके किसी पॉलिटिशियन या IAS ऑफिसर की खून कर दी. ऑफ कोर्स आई डोंट विश दिस ऑन एनीवन, लेट मी बी वेरी क्लियर. पर डॉक्टर को एक सिस्टम में डालते हो तुम विच इज सो फ्लॉड, एंड उसका एंगर बलि का बकरा इज द डॉक्टर हिमसेल्फ और हरसेल्फ. Why should doctors pay the price for the defect in our healthcare system भाई? कोई बताना मुझे comment section में. You know, I've compiled some of the reasons, okay, why doctors get assaulted or killed in the last 3 years, ठीक है? तो I'll just read this out for the sake of factual accuracy, ठीक है? बेड्स की शॉर्टेज थी, एक बेड पे 2 पेशेंट्स सोएंगे. ये केस मामूली सा केस है, एडमिशन की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो यू सेंड द पेशेंट होम, द पेशेंट गेट्स अ मॉब एंड असॉल्ट्स यू, ठीक है? पेशेंट सीरियस कंडीशन में था, ICU में था और उनकी डेथ हो गई. हार्ट अटैक पेशेंट को लेके आया, ठीक है, पर देरी से आ गया तो उसकी डेथ हो गई. एज यू ऑल नो देयर इज अ विंडो पीरियड, देयर इज अ गोल्डन आवर, बट यू नो हाउ डज दैट मैटर टू अ मॉब ऑफ 5 people, uneducated fools who only know how to operate a gun. But how can you explain science to someone who is angry, someone in a mob? How do you explain to them? सिक्योरिटी बोलते हैं हम लोग सिक्योरिटी की इंतजाम कर रहे हैं, CCTV कैमरा रिकॉर्डिंग की है. भाई CCTV कैमरा रिकॉर्डिंग prevents attacks? Really? It may record the horrific incidents which comes out on social media, gets leaked to us on WhatsApp, etc. Okay, it doesn't prevent. You have one guard, one patlusa guard in every ward who doesn't even have training. लाठी चार्ज कैसे पता है? लाठी चार्ज की पूरी ट्रेनिंग होती है पुलिस ऑफिसर की, उसको ट्रेनिंग है. Does he know how to control a mob? Does he have an SOS button? SOS button भाई सिंपल बेसिक चीज़ होती है मॉब कंट्रोल में. Does he have a walkie talkie or a phone number where he can call someone and in 30 seconds the पुलिस फोर्स आती है to the ward if there is some case of assault? Are there any provisions like this? What if a mob of 4 people come? Why, you may be the best solid built physique person, okay, but you can't stop a mob of 4 or 5 people if they come with sticks. Not a Brock Lesnar, वो अपना Conor McGregor, they can't fight यार. 4 or 5 people are coming full of anger, ready to kill you. ये कौन सी सिक्योरिटी भाई? बस नाम का सिक्योरिटी है, ये नाम का सिक्योरिटी है. So, NEET UG aspirants and doctors who are doing their MBBS, you know, if you still have the motivation, the altruistic values for which you joined this profession, and you want to make money in a very honest way, there are some options for you. Okay, first thing, you should choose your society that you want to cater to. For example, I stay in Goa. Goans are very, very golden hearted people. I'm really lucky to be born over here and be serving them. Amazing people. They will listen to you properly. They will take your advice. They will wish you God's blessings to you. They will in some cases they'll give you gifts out of nowhere. They will respect you wherever you go. Whether you're MBBS or MD or a super specialty, they don't care. That is called culture. That is called society. Some things you cannot teach people. If you're feeling well respected in your village or in your town, there is no need to come to some other town. Okay? Work for people whom you feel connected with. There are less chances that you will face violence. Okay? I'm not guaranteeing that you will not face any violence. But this is just to decrease the probability of getting killed. So there are also branches which don't typically face violence against doctors, okay, like derma, radiology, ophthalmology, ENT, the preclinical, paraclinical subjects, okay. But going by this trend, I don't know, even those doctors may face violence for something or the other. Okay, they'll always make up some reason. You always need some excuse, just to khoon karne ke liye, something you need, right? So you can try to choose these branches and stay safe in these branches. You could also choose, if you want to totally escape the society, you can plan to choose to go abroad. Okay, that's like a trend that is there now. Usually if you're a general category middle class student, I think you should go see your opportunities of going abroad, but please don't go to the US. I mean, there's some woke nonsense happening in the US society, so please don't go to a society where your children may be confused about their gender and all the gender ideology and woke nonsense that goes on over there. Like, don't go to the US. Okay, you also have to incur a lot of debt if you go to the US. But UK is doable. Lab is doable. You can go to the UAE, you can go to Dubai, you can go to Oman, Kuwait, Australia. All of these countries are amazing. Anywhere else in Europe. Okay. So yeah, I mean, these are some of the solutions. Yeah, if you have chosen to be a doctor and you're from a middle class background with less savings, you have to send money home to your parents back, consider going abroad. It's not wrong. It's not wrong to not want to be in a society which you don't respect and the society doesn't respect you. It's okay. It's okay. You did not choose where you were born. You can at least choose where you work, where you bring up your family. Or choose a society like where I am from, where the society respects its doctors. For society to respect doctors, you have to choose the society. Bhai, kaise bole main ye baat? Even after all of this, we will continue to go back to work. We will continue the NEET PG counseling. You'll have new residents joining, and the trend will continue because that's always how it's been continued, and it will keep on happening. So, you have to escape this matrix, for lack of a better word. Now that Andrew Tate has kind of put a trademark on that word, I can't use. I want to use some other word, but I can't really use it. You have to have some plan here. Some plan from now. Plan some online thing. Plan something or the other, so that you have something of your own. So that you don't have a boss who is toxic to you. कुछ तो करना पड़ेगा भाई हमारे लिए, for us, and ironically for the society to function. So dear NEET UG aspirants, this is the harsh reality, bhai. This is the harsh reality where you will study so much, you will go through all the exams, the humiliation, the violence, and you will get killed. With no respect, with no compensation for your family. हम लोग ट्वीट कर देंगे, मेरे जैसे यूट्यूबर्स आएंगे, वीडियोस बनाएंगे, कैमरा के सामने रोएंगे, you know, all of that thing will happen. Obviously it will happen, भाई. We have seen that happening with so many incidents in this country. It all continue. भाई ये फॉर्मूला है भाई, ये दिस इज अ सिंपल फॉर्मूला. कुछ ट्रैजिक हो जाते हैं कंट्री में, आउटरीच होती है कुछ महीनों के लिए, एंड देन इट जस्ट डाइज डाउन. It dies down till the next incident comes, till there are other businessmen waiting to take advantage of this situation. ऐसे होता रहेगा. It will happen. But you can choose to be the change. You can choose. Definitely, you can choose to be the change. You know, when you are a JR1, you see some things wrong in your hospital or in your department or with your JR2 or your SR or a consultant. You can choose when you are in that spot. When you are a JR2 or a JR3 or an SR, to have small changes in your behavior which will make the suffering of a JR1 more easier. You can do it, and such examples will be spoken about on social media. It will be spoken about in your college. It will be spoken about in the future if so and so trends continue. The exception to the rule always shines, and if you are a good boss or a good senior, it doesn't go unnoticed. It really doesn't go unnoticed. So I want to end this video on a positive note, okay, because that's just me being my optimistic self. Try to be the change that you wish to see in the world. That is such an apt statement to put out right now. But please, if you don't agree with anything that I have said over here, you're welcome to take whatever decisions that you want with your life. I'm just here to share with you the harsh reality of this profession, and I'm a first generation doctor. I did not know about all these things, but I don't regret it also, because being in this profession for several years, I've understood that this is exactly what the industry that I want to be in is, healthcare, and I'm proud to be a part of this scientific community despite all that thing is going on over here. But can I encourage someone to join this profession? No.